Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where every hidden item is on the latest Dressing Press update. So if you're looking for the cupcake, you will see it here in front of the dressing rooms. Here it is. If you are looking for the gingerbread cookie, it's behind the cookies here, behind the plate. If you are looking for the hot dog, it's here next to this dresser, next to VIP. If you are looking for the baby doll dress, it's behind this present over here. There it is. And if you are looking for the banana shoes, it's actually in the dressing rooms under the Halloween collection, and it's here. Sorry. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. Let me know if I missed any items that you needed to find. And yeah, that is it. Don't forget to click the thanks button as well if you thought this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!